Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to do a short video of Lakeside Landing RV Park in Marina. It's located near Pell City, Alabama, and the next largest major city that most people recognize is Birmingham. It's probably about 45 minutes away. It's a nice campground. It's located on a lake, on Logan Martin Lake. It's got boat docks. It's got 50 amp, 30 amp full hookups at every site. Every site is a pull-through site, and the prices are reasonable. So I'm going to just do a flyover here of my drone and just give you a quick overview of the campground. Just wanted to bring it to your attention. If you're ever in that area and looking for somewhere to stay, I would recommend it.